Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And at the bottom of the right ear cup we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. And near to the USB-C port we have the LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. Also, we can use your phone to charge these headphones, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to USB-C port on your right ear cup. Again, we need to check the LED light. Here it is, so it also works. The last one is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your headphones using, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. It looks like this. Now I'm going to connect USB-C cable with my headphones, and USB-A port I'm going to connect to my PC. And now let's check the LED light, and here it is. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!